Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2014 TF Ford Kuga 2. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 11th month 2012 to the 9th month 2016. This vehicle is fitted with a 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. We have the left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left-hand rear door appears to have no damage. Factory 17-inch steel wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Left-hand tail light garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Also has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light garnish. Right-hand tail light. Factory 17-inch steel wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand front door. Factory 17-inch steel wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the right-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy automatic transmission center console, handbrake lever. Factory AC controls. Has a single stack CD media player. Has a tidy left-hand sun visor. Interior courtesy light with sunglass holder. Has a tidy right-hand sun visor. Automatic transmission instrument cluster. Also has a tidy black leather steering wheel. We have the driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.